welcome to another video. We are at EBASS Winter Dam. We didn't get to pre-fish, so coming in blind. It's starting to get cold, so the bite's going to be totally different. We've heard lots of small fish are coming out, so I think it's just trying to get at least bag with some keepers. Let's see how it goes. Wish us luck. Guys, ja, maar ruster in de winter.
Winter de ruster.
Let's hope for the giants, eh?
Ja,
good fish. Let's actually get your net. Bit of grass on. Might be just on the keeper side though. Should be, yeah. Oh, that looks like it's 30 centimeters. Well, let's put it. That's nice.
Bite. Get a hook in the mouth.
This is not good. Yeah.
Stop.
Wouldn't it be nice if we caught 4 kilos? 5 of them to make it really nice. Right in the shallow, that looks nice.
We'll use it here.
Right in the shallows, but right like next to the, yeah, like I said. It's not a big one, but at least. Done.
Yeah.
Good one.
No.
Another keeper. No, keeper.
Keeper,
Yeah, definitely. That's alright. 3 fish. Nice. Whoa! Pequenino! Very small pequenino. It's a bloody tough day so far, bro. Hey! We've only got 4 in alive wells. Caught a few small ones, but yeah, it's been a battle. Rusty is really punishing us today. So it's 1 o'clock, 10 past 1, and we're gonna head back to one of our morning spots and see if that can change anything. Yeah.